Here is your Instant Pot Duo plus 6-quart, 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker. It's an all-in-one kitchen wonder. It's the versatility you need. It combines 9 appliances in one: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, saute, yogurt maker, warmer, and more. Effortless cooking. With 15 one-touch smart programs, you can whip up soups, stews, beans, rice, and even cakes effortlessly. Speedy meals, healthy results. Cook meals up to 70% faster while preserving essential nutrients. Efficient and healthy. Customizable settings. Easily adjust temperature, pressure, and cooking times to perfect your favorite. User-friendly interface. The large print, easy-to-read display, and intuitive controls makes the cooking a breeze. Safe and convenient. Built with 10+ safety features, including overheat protection and a safe locking lid. For more info on this multi-purpose electric pressure cooker, see link in description.
Please click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this.